on, guys? So just landed here in Haneda airport over in Tokyo. We're going to be going to the 2020 Tokyo Auto Salon. So pretty stoked about that. Going to meet up with my buddy Jason right now. Going to meet him down in Yokohama. So right now we're going to catch a bus down there. So stay tuned. A lot of stuff to come. All right, so met up with Jason over there doing his video. So we are at the Nissan global headquarters. It's gonna be our first stop today. They have a few cars in there. We're gonna check it out, and then we gotta rush over to the Omori Factory so we can get a good amount of footage over there because it closes at 5. So we gotta head out.
As you guys can see the brand new Nismo GTR. Insane. Fair Lady Z.
ノート E パワーニスモ S はテスト走行の反復です。写真距離はアフターチューニングでは不可能なレベル。
First time seeing this. Nissan Leaf race car.
のインテリジェントブレースコントロールはレーンチェンジや S 字コーナーなどでの切り返しの際1万分の1秒単位で車の挙動を制御しています。
I remember them having these in the old Gran Turismo video game. I think it might have been the R34 though, but nonetheless, here in the flesh looks sick. And here we have the legend, extremely rare LM. Extremely rare as well, authentic GTR. Amazing. The limited edition GTR here. Looking amazing. Huge brake kit on there. Brembo's 50th anniversary edition. It's got the titanium exhaust. The only thing I don't like is this stripe. I don't know what the deal is behind that. Not sure if it means anything, but I would take that off if I picked this up, to be honest. And then here we have a shell of a GTR. Look at these meats looking real big in the back there. Carbon drive shaft. Got the BQ up front. Looking great. Little Nissan boutique here, little store. You know I have to grab something while I'm here. Actually, I'll probably grab a few things. Maybe do a giveaway on my Instagram, natty_Steve, same as the YouTube. So, gotta grab something while I'm here. Gotta do it. So they got tons of stuff in the store, as you guys can see. Super nice watches. They even got some Nissan chopsticks, which is pretty cool. Some driving gloves. So I'm gonna pick up Nismo license plate frame and metal Nismo badge and the oil. So for the giveaway, we'll do the metal Nismo badge there.
All right, guys, we just wrapped up the Nissan headquarters, picked up a few things. Hopefully you guys liked what you saw. Up next, we're gonna hit Omori Factory, and then tomorrow is going to be the Tokyo Auto Salon. So we're probably gonna do a 2-day video, Tokyo Auto Salon, and then some nighttime action, so stay tuned. All right, guys, gonna give you a first look on the transit system here in Japan. So we're gonna get on the Yokohama station. It's a little bit complicated, but once you get a hang of it, you'll understand where to go, what to do.
Train station. You come here, look for where you need to go. Luckily, it's in English. Tokyo has a lot of English translation, so you guys shouldn't get too lost. Google Maps also is a great way to get around. Where you are, where you need to go. This price is what you're gonna pay. So 250 yen, and then you get your tickets and you get on.
It's the cool part, putting it in the machine.
Yeah. Also on the escalator, there is a left side and a right side. So if you're not gonna walk, you're gonna stay on the left, and if you're gonna walk, you go on the right.
All right, guys, we are here at the Omori Factory down here in Yokohama. So took some transit. Hopefully you guys learned something on how to travel down here.
Sneak peek, garage doors open to the legendary Omori Factory. Walking through the doors of Omori Factory. Probably 26s out of the GT 500. Got the Nismo R2 engine. You're interested in the prices there. Brand new sealed GTR steering wheel. Z-Tune carbon hood panel for the R34. Look at the size of those. LM GT4s, laser engraved. Nismo lug nuts. Titanium strut bar. A little over 2,000 for the R34 right assembly, and then another 2,000 for the left assembly headlight. Got some shift knobs up here. Cannot overlook this beautiful R34 Z-Tune kit just sitting in the garage. R35 back there, another R34, and it just goes on. That R33 appears to have the R2 engine in it. Oh, this R34 is completely wrapped up, brand new. All right, so with the Omori Factory, they're always swapping out their display vehicles. So today, they have a couple of the race cars here. Absolutely awesome. Obviously caged, stripped, full-on race cars here. I remember, again, playing this in the Gran Turismo back in the day on PlayStation, and to actually see it in person is a pretty cool experience. R35 race car. Very cool to be up close and personal on these vehicles. Completely carbon body. Amazing. Got the R34 Z-Tune. Just picked up that license plate, so that's pretty cool out here. The Nissan headquarters.
with the Z2 fenders. The front fender.
Man, it's perfection.
Probably my favorite.
Oh yeah, the Z-Tune kit,
Z2 hood.
very limited edition on these actual,
Might actually be like only one I may ever actually see in person.
not pieced together, but actually came from the factory like this. So very cool. Liking the red interior. So I know I'm not talking too much right now, but I am at a loss for words to actually be here and actually seeing these cars in the Omori Factory in person. It's pretty freaking awesome. So hopefully you guys are just enjoying the views here. This 32 looks super clean with those LMGT4s. Very nice. I guess the R33 here. And the R34. Legends. So this is pretty cool. The GTR sign made out of all GTRs. Pretty sweet. All right, so they just pulled out the R34 rearview mirrors. Also going to pick up front turn signals. And I'm going to pick up the Nismo air duct for the intake.
Telescoping camera stick.
Picking up a few parts here. Unfortunately, they didn't have the gauge cluster, or else I would have picked that up also. They said it's a special order item, but got some parts from the R34 from the Omori Factory. So that in itself definitely is going to have a sentimental value for me.
100%. 100%.
Also got a Nissan badge, so whenever I do decide to repaint, throw a brand new badge on there. Good to go.
All right, guys, picking up the parts here. Up there is actually the Z-Tune kit, dry carbon, right around 20 grand for the carbon Z-Tune kit. Insane. Obviously, super expensive, but it's worth it if you have the money to get it, right? So just picking up these few parts here, and then we're gonna head out, hit up Daikoku later.
Let me know.
All right.